Hello, my name is Bernard Height, and I will be explaining the different types of coffee. Coffee is a very popular drink throughout the whole entire world. It is a drink that a lot of people love because it has caffeine and keeps them energized. Four major types of beans is Café Arabica, Robusta Coffee, Liberica Coffee, and Excelsior Coffee. These are very popular four major types of beans. First off, we have Café Arabica. This is the most popular bean and is supposedly the first coffee bean to be consumed. It originated from Ethiopia. Their taste is smooth, complex, and has a distinct lack of bitterness. Now we have a Robusta coffee. This is the second most popular coffee. It is harsh and bitter and has a burnt taste. It originated from sub-Saharan Africa. It also has a higher amount of caffeine than Arabica beans. Now we have Liberica Coffee. This has a floral, smoky aroma and a nutty wood taste. It originated from Liberia, where its name comes from. Liberia beans are not common to the North American and European market. Excelsior Coffee. This is a light aroma and a fruity taste. The beans originated from Southeast Asia and is thought to be its own variant, but it's considered a Liberian variant now. Types of coffee drinks. There are plenty of coffee drinks out there, from cold to hot, to bitter to sweet. Everyone likes their coffee, and the way they like it is up to them. Hot coffee drinks. Hot coffee drinks can be drunk at any time throughout the year. It is the most popular way to drink coffee. You can enjoy it however you like it. Black coffee. Simply put, this is plain coffee with nothing added. Although people debate if you add sweetener, is it still considered black coffee? I'll let you decide. Next is an espresso. An espresso is an Italian origins coffee style. It's typically a 1-ounce shot of extremely hot water over finely ground coffee beans. It's a very concentrated coffee. Now you have a latte. A latte is espresso with milk and froth coffee mixed. It can be sweetened or unsweetened, however you like it. Don't forget about your Americano. Americano is a drink that is diluted by pouring hot water over espresso. The cream from the espresso is from the espresso itself, not added creamer. Now you have a cortado. Cortado is a ratio of milk or coffee 1-to-1. You can have more coffee or more milk, that is up to you. Don't forget about your flavored coffees. There are plenty of flavored coffee drinks out there, like vanilla latte, hazelnut latte, chocolate Americano, chocolate cortado. Enjoy it however you like. Now we have a dessert coffee. These are typically more popular for 21 and older due to alcohol. The most popular two are Irish coffee or a gato. Lastly, we have cold coffee drinks for hot summers. Cold coffee drinks. Who doesn't like a nice chilled coffee on a hot summer day? There's lots of different ways to drink this cold coffee. Iced coffee. Iced coffee is just coffee and ice mixed together. You can have it with cream or not cream. You have sugar or not sugar, however you like it. Now there's cold brew, a different way of brewing coffee. A cold brew is steeping water over coffee grounds for many hours, typically 12 to 15, and then serving it. It is a more popular way. We have nitro coffee. Nitro coffee is gaining popularity. It's a type of coffee that uses nitrogen gas to serve for a creamy texture and a smooth taste. Lastly, but not least, we have our frappe coffee. This one is my favorite type, and for all you sweet tooths out there, it is coffee, ice, sugar, and whipped cream mixed together and my favorite way to drink coffee.